Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to enable ANC mod on your headphones Vivo TWS 2. Firstly, I should open the application to show it to you. So, you can press and hold on your left one or right one earbud to swap between noise cancelling mode or transparency mode, or turn off any mods. Just press and hold it. And as you can see, I just swapped to transparency mode, and if I press and hold again, I will swap to noise cancelling mode, and again to disabled mode. Or you can also check it. You can also change it by click on the noise cancelling or transparency mode, or turn off any mods. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!